Okay, sports fans, got another box in. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I just ordered this like yesterday. I'm so excited. It said this would get in like March 22nd. Look what this is. It's my 14th scale cement truck. Oh man. Okay, with quite a bit of exertion, enough that I need to take a swig of Diet Mountain Dew. Okay. My official sponsor. Unofficial sponsor. I wish I could get a sponsor. Okay, now. It's such a great looking truck. It's got, see, it's got squeaky stuff. It's got a pretty good size 7.2 volt battery pack with it. Okay, it's the standard hobby grade Hunia controller. Okay, here's our charger. It's just a standard USB charger. That's a good looking truck. Okay, here's a chute on the back. Look how the chute works. Whoa, so we can put whatever in here, what we want to do, and go either side and shoot it out. Here's the hopper up here, so we'll put maybe like some BBs or some rocks or something in here. This would be a good addition to our gravel pit we're building on the side of the house. Let's get the battery put in here. I just like the quality of these little bit bigger Hunia units. And they function pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. I mean, okay, yes. They're not a 2200 RC warehouse or whatever the hell they call that place unit, you know. But for around $100, between $100 and $200, I really do like the Hunia stuff. They're good quality and they look decent. Okay, I felt some tires move. Okay, this is a good thing. We got lights are flashing. You see the lights are flashing. That's a good thing. So we'll have to stick some batteries in this unit here. Snap a doodle. Okay, the cement mixer's turned on. We'll turn on our unit here. All right, we'll start it up. Oh good, we can turn the sound off. Look at that. We're loading in the hopper. That would be okay, here's the thing. This would be dumping. That would be loading. That's just pretty cool. And it sounds like the motor in there's pretty hefty. And there's the sound. Alright, it goes forward and back. All the stuff it's supposed to do. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, this has got to be an 8, 8.5. It just looks like a fun unit. It's heavy. It goes with our other scale stuff. There's BBs that I put in my cannon on my tanks. Let's put some BBs in there, see how it works. Okay, now this is fun. You can hear those BBs in there. Sounding just like a real cement truck. Listen to that. Some stuff. That's the fun. Okay, do you hear that mixing in there? Mixing up the pellets. We'll stop that, and I will go this other way. Here they come out. And you see that coming out? Look at that. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that's it for now. Have another swig of Diet Mountain Dew, and we're going to call this sucker good. Cement mixer. Awesome. Subscribe, damn it. Bye. We got that in. We're going to turn it on. Where's the turner oner? Here's the turner oner right here. Is that what that is? A power switch or turner oner? That's the turner oner right there. There's our truck. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it wonderful?